Hello, everybody. I'm back. Finally. Yeah, I woke up. Finally. um, all right. Let's see. Yeah, the family the emergency was it was critical. It was critical hospital issue, but all is good now. All is good. That's why I'm a little bit not too concentrated, but anyway, I wanted to see the New York Open. How's everybody? Hello, Anthony. And Jerry, welcome. Kirktown again. András, hello, see ya. And third. Previous day low 192. Yeah, I think we could go. Pip Hunter, hello. Welcome. Welcome. How's everybody doing? How was the London session? I'm sorry I missed it out. How was the London session? Haven't really had the chance to check on the charts. Seems like we took out some lows here. There was a fair value gap on the 5-minute here from Asia session. Where's the Asia low? I would say somewhere here. I would say this could be an Asia low at 211. Not really sure, but we'll see. Filled overnight gap. All right. I don't even know where it is. Where was it? Hold on. Yeah, up there. Okay. So here's the new day opening gap. Somewhere around here. And here's the other one. Oh, wow. Interesting. Okay, here's the open. New day opening gap. All right. So that has been repriced. It has not been rebalanced completely, but it has been repriced. Yeah, me too. I'm expecting lower movement on this one. So I might try to take a short. We'll see. We shall see. Seems to be there's an issue. On Bulenox. I might have to reconnect. We'll see. All right, just a second. Sorry, just a quick phone call. Yeah, I was on the phone. I was on the phone. All right. There was a Quantower issue here. I mean, not Quantower, Bulenox issue. I tried to reconnect. I'm still watching this. I think the 211 should be taken on this. So quite interesting. Interesting price action for sure. Which is Asia low, by the way, down there. I taken a short. Just a quick trade. Where is it? Here it is. Just a small trade. I'm looking for these Asia lows. If it goes down there, most likely a scalp with a few micros. Nothing special for now. Let's see how it goes. Uh-oh, it doesn't look good. The good thing is it's only 2 micros, so I can handle it. Thank you, Kirktown. Pip Hunter is long. Let's see. I thought that we're gonna take out that low. I really thought so. I think I'm gonna put this a little higher here. A little bit higher. I don't even have a stop loss on yet. Retesting the bearish order block could be. Yeah, I think it could be the case. So what's it doing? What's it doing right now? I couldn't say anything in chat even though I have been subbed. What? I don't know. I don't know what could have been the issue there, Anthony. Look at this. It's not going down there. Well, it seems like I might have to... Yeah, I think I might have to close down this trade. It's a shame because I really thought that we're going to go for that low. I really thought that this is going to go for the Asia low there. And, you know... I mean, I haven't given up yet, but... And as I said, it's only 2 micros. I need only a little bit to the next payout on the Bulenox account. And it's just not going down. Not yet. How much? I'm gonna tell you exactly. I'm risking around $100 here. But it's a negative risk to reward now. If it goes higher, then obviously the target is not the AGLO, at least not yet. I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. No problem. It is what it is. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Oh man, I mean this was so obvious. It should have just gone down to take out that level. It was so close. Anyway. Hold the line, exactly. I think we are in a weak uptrend. Yeah. I mean, we are definitely in a bullish trend on the higher time frames. Exactly. Yeah, it's ranging. It's just ranging. Well, this would have been my probe trade for the day, and let's see where we go from here. Come on. Let's go for that Asia low. Come on. Drop. Exactly. That's what we want. We want it to drop. If it's not gonna take out the Asia low, then I don't know. What are we going to do with our lives? Ooh, there you go. Nice. All right. This is a good one because I have this Bulenox account, and as you see, I'm at $3,240. I don't really need too much more to get this, but I need like $360 to get another payout from this account. But I still need to make like an extra 5 or 6 trading days. So I don't really care to make too much profit on this. So because I still need to push the button for 5 or 6 days. It is what it is. But you know, I took the whole trade off. It's just a small trade. Asia low has been taken out. So now this will be interesting. From here, this will be very interesting. Still watching the 5-minute. Previous day low 192. That could be the secondary target. I think it most likely it could go there, or it will go there. It keeps it could keep dropping, yeah. And this low is from yesterday's, basically the opening range low. So 192 is absolutely a good target. Yeah, now it's taking it. There you go. Okay, 192 taken. Wow. Okay, what's next? If it wants to drop, what's next? I don't know. It sounds a little bit weird, but on the 1 hour chart, this is a bullish order block, right there. 125. Look at this. Open up the candle 2450 on the micro. 2450. Sweeping liquidity. This is actually beautiful. Right, be with you guys in a second. Okay, so liquidity sweep. See what I mean? Market structure shift. This is the 1 hour chart. 124.50. That's the neckline on the body. So this is a demand zone starting at 124.50. That's how far it could go, at least. Man. 155 says Kirk. Let's see. I think if I came with the short bias, the covered 20 points, 12 counters. Oh, that's, yeah, that could have been a good one. And that's the good thing in trading micros, like taking partials. 4 hour busy down there. Yeah. The 4 hour busy high. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right down there. Yeah, 156. Could reach down for that. Gotta be really careful on this one. All right. I know it feels like that, we all want to go long, especially on this, the 925 candle looks beautiful up there and relative equal highs. So it's really looking good to take some long positions and just ride the waves and go up there. But what if it wants to go down into the 4 hour BC and even lower into the bullish order block? Be careful with the long positions for now, I'd say. Maybe I jump into a short. Who knows? I have a... No, that's not it. Second. Yeah, I'm not jumping. Might go down. $156 is the 4 hour level, right? Let me put a line there. 55.75 on the micro. It was close. I want to reprice higher. $100 points down, yeah. The question is it going to try to reach for more or not? There's a gap here. It might want to reprice it. Previous day low now acting as a bit of a resistance. I don't think that it's too much. And we have the 195 as a fair value gap up there. Okay, let's see what it wants. Maybe it's gonna be a full recovery to the upside. Who knows? Yeah, the macro time is right now, so it could be a reversal. Watch out. Watch out, everybody. I think it can go up. All the way. Could this be the V-shaped recovery phase? Quite a rejection from the downside there. I don't know. To 300, maybe. Yeah, maybe, Anthony. Yeah. Obviously, we are so high, so this market is just keeps on being bullish. I'm trying to look for a possible entry here, because I think this one really wants to go back. First fair value gap was here. Almost feels like that it wants to take it. Who knows? Maybe it will completely go up there, even to the midnight area. What a rejection up there. This was practically an inversion gap. Might want to go lower. I don't know. I don't know. It's hard to say. Let's check the 5-minute. Because if it goes there, then it could have been just a fake move. And yeah, we still have a few minutes from the macro here. The 4-hour fair value gap was really close on this one. Yeah, I'm trying to wait as well just to see what it wants to do. Hard to say. Can it go up to the 300s maybe? I wonder. I wonder. I do like that level up there, and that's actually well, it's not a good one, but that's actually a very shorter block up in the 300s supply area. So. Let me look at this closer. Which account could be good for this to take a trade on? So the inversion gap that I was looking was actually this. The first fair value gap is this one here. Yeah, it's gonna be up at above 26. Actually, let me put that out. The first presentation gap or first gap, there was one here at 43 though. Which one to go with? Yeah, I think it could be 43. Oh yeah, really? Oof. Yeah, look at that. Interesting though. Also interesting how NQ didn't really go for the it didn't go for the low. I mean the Asia low. Look at that. Now we're back into this gap. What is happening? I took a small long position. Just a small one here, based on that inversion. Yeah. If it starts to drop, then I might even go into reverse. And if it closes below this candle, I might even try to scalp that 155 down there. So we'll see. Now it feels like it might want to fall. Uh-oh. This is not good. I'm closing this, I think. Yeah, I closed it. I don't like this. I wonder if it's going to break that low down there. Look at this. Jesus. This is just wow. Bring back Sleepy Joe. Is Trump tweeting something? I don't even know. Is he tweeting about something? So we just went to that. Went into that. 4-hour fair value gap. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not doing anything with this. That's for sure. Hmm. This is interesting. And we still have that 1 hour bullish order block down there at 124. So 1 hour bullish order block. One-hour bullish order block down there. Let's put this slash demand zone on the top. Okay. We took out, so this is the 4-hour fair value gap. And now, what's gonna happen? Who knows? Reprice this gap. What is going to happen? Still just waiting. What's it doing right now? Is this gonna try to go for that 125 bullish order block? It did go below the 150. It seems like it wants to. Hey Nintendo, I wasn't here in London session. There was a family emergency. I had to take my mother again to the hospital, but she's okay. But yeah. Down the bottom of your. Oh yeah, I do have that. um, I mean, this is what you're talking about, right? Or this one? I don't know how to put on this one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think if you right click on the chart and you go to or if you go to somewhere, you have to click on settings, but where? Settings, events, you click on events and latest news. I think that's it. Right click, events and latest news. Yeah, no problem. No problem, Anthony. So what's this doing right now? I wonder. I'm still keeping an eye on that 1 hour order block down there at 124. As for the 5-minute chart, there is nothing there except at around midnight and 57 maybe. But who knows? You know. It looks like it still wants to push it higher. I'm a little bit curious now. Which one is the first fair value gap? Is this is it this one up there or this small one higher? I just can't decide. But anyway, if it starts to go up there, I'm gonna keep an eye on for this. Wow, look at this structure shift again. Do we have something here? Nothing. FOMC member, I guess. 170 again. Be careful. Boyox, hey, good to see you. Hey, where have you been? Good to see you again. He said 942. Okay, so that's the higher one. Okay. 43, sorry. Yeah, so that's the higher one. All right, all right. So this is the one. That small one up there. This one. Let's give a different color to it. Let's see. Yeah, the 944 makes more sense to me too. Good to see you. Yeah, Voyox, where have you been? How's trading? How are you? Everybody, Voyox is an OG viewer from the beginning. All right. I don't know what's the plan here, but we're just going sideways. I don't see any entry here that I like. Any trader fund account? Hey, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Third. Thank you for the support. More consistent, yeah. Yeah, this one could be hectical. That one I give you, yeah. Ooh, look at that. What's happening here? Feels like it might want to go higher. Yeah, so this fair value gap makes more sense to me. We are above the 200. I don't know. Trying to determine the proper area here. What's the distance here to the gap? It's 20 points. Not far. Not far. Potential buy rate. Yeah, I would like to jump into a scalp to go back to that gap, but I'm just scared. I don't want to scalp. Scalping never turns out to be good if I try to do that. That rarely works out for me. Trying to figure this out if this one. Maybe I put a buy limit at 94.50. This just keeps on going higher, so it might not going to trigger it. Yeah. Looks like it. Okay, I got the position. Now the question remains, where does it want to go? Might want to drop. I don't like it. Yeah, it would be up at the 26 if it goes there. If not, it should be pushing lower. Yeah, here it is. Not my favorite, that's for sure. I think it just wants to, yeah, there you go. It wants to go lower. Maybe even taking out the 50 down there. I don't know. What if it wants to? Not sure. Oh my god, is it going down now? What's the deal here? I was trying out a long position, but it was a small one. I got stopped out. Could dig deeper. Yeah. Yeah, we do have that low down there. 1 hour order block. Yeah, demand zone. Who knows? Who knows? And we still have much time from the silver bullet hour. But I don't know, where does it go? If it goes. New 5-minute candle should be closing in 1 minute 15 seconds. Silver bullet hour, it's nothing special. It's just basically the hour with the most volume. That's it. But there are many theories on YouTube, but basically it's just, I don't really use it as a concept. It's just everybody is talking about it, like silver bullet hour. But there's basically, it's just the most volume happens usually between 10 and 11 a.m. in the New York session. But I mean, not always, but usually. Oh yeah, don't worry about it, third. It's not a mandatory thing for me as well. I'm not really attached to that thing. So what the heck is going on here? Who knows? Well, well, well. Don't worry about it. Last Friday is a draw, and also the high of the ABC. That could be. Could be. Look at this. I mean, it looks like it wants to go down, but then it's stuck in this area. Yeah. TLA. Yes, something like that. And it's really hard to decide what to do here. You know, I would really love to jump into a short now, just to see if my level was correct down there at that bullish order block level, 124.50. I'm sure that right now I'm scared to go long, that's for sure. But I don't know. Yes, yes, exactly. Exactly. Sword trading. Forgot to pronounce it right. Yeah, I think you're right. I wouldn't be surprised as well. But I'm a little bit scared here to do anything. I want to see something clean, some kind of a displacement to a direction, and then we should decide what to do. That would be the thing. But it's not doing anything. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Come on. I need a decision here. Look at that. It's just going sideways. Jonathan. Yeah, I forgot to set up the. I mean, I didn't forget to set up because I had an issue with the provider. So there will be a giveaway, but I think it's going to be tomorrow, I think. I know. I think you're doing great. You know. Kirktown. Stop. Stop it. You know, stop it. Just stop it. Oh man. Oh man. What? You're gonna have a new stepmom? Who's the new stepmom? I'm just curious. You know, just want to know who's the new who's the lucky lady? Tell us. Who's the lucky one? Yeah, I was watching. Yeah, I'm watching the 5 minute too, but still, at this level at 124. As I said, I need to see a clean and strong move to the upside. I know. Who is the one? I want you to say it. I want you to say it. Say it. Yeah, the 124 is a good level. I'm just a little bit scared to jump into a short because it's just going so much sideways here. I do think that there is a demand zone down there. And look at that, how close we are to the daily low again. Oh, wow, look at that. I know she hates it. I know she hates it. But hey, what can we do? Look at that. 124. It wasn't just a hoax. It's really happening. All right. Oh, look at that. Whew. Look at that. 124 is gonna be hit. Jesus. It's just going down like crazy. Wow. Too late to jump in now. Yeah, it could be kissing the 110 and then boom. The problem is, if I would jump in now, it would just bounce like, oh, let me see. Yeah, 50 points easy. So this one can easily bounce 50 points in a matter of a split second. It just does that. Wow, look at that. Just like that. Last support before 124. Let's see. Let's see. You see? You see that? It's going up there. I'm not jumping in. No way. No way. I mean, chances are really high that it goes down there, but what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I feel like it should take that 124, but almost. 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 Maybe even the 26 should be also good. You know. Whoa! And it just did it go through? I think it did, right? I think it did go through. Interesting. Interesting. Actually didn't go down completely. Yeah, but look at that. Let's check that level on the mini. It went down to 125, so the low was 125, and the zone on the hourly chart open is at 20. Hold on, 23.75. So it's not finished yet. It's not finished with the move yet. Potentially setting up for long, but NQ dragging. Yeah. 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 So I'm still scared to jump into a long because I think we could see a sweep. So I agree. I think we could see a sweep here. So I'm just gonna be careful. Okay. What is going on here? It still feels heavy. It feels like it wants to drop. 24, 34, 44. Yeah, it feels like it wants to drop. It definitely feels like it. One hour order block is just more confluence. Maybe. I don't know. I'm still scared to jump in too long. I'm still scared. Hold on a second. Quick phone call. The market makers. Sorry. Quick phone call. What's happening here? Look at that. It seems like, for a minute, it seems like that it wants to go lower, but maybe not. Not my cup of tea. I don't really like it. One last sweep with the displacement. Yeah, one last sweep. I'd like to see that to like go down, sweep this, and then boom, go higher. This would be something I would look for. Yeah, macro time is coming. 8 minutes. Yeah. Let's see how this will go. So I'm not convinced yet to go long until we're not sweeping that order block. I'm just gonna be, let's just say, neutral here. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm not trusting the move yet. I mean, it can take the stairs and grind slowly higher, but still don't know. It's the waiting game, everybody. I'm just still waiting. We still have time. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised on a move higher, but long for macro. Yeah, me too. I'm looking at it, but I'm still scared. If I would see again a strong displacement, then maybe, but until then, now it just feels like it wants to go down again. Long with 10 mini. Oh my god, be careful there. Be careful. What's this doing right now? Look at this. Is this gonna try to go for the 124 again, or what's the deal here? Or the 25? I'm not sure. I mean, the macro is coming in shortly, in about 3 minutes from now. Wow, look at that. This is gonna be it. The 124.50. That's why I was scared to go long at the first place. Because of this. And now I'm scared to jump in because I'm still scared of a potential bounce here. And I'm not good in scalping this one. Let's go, Jonathan. Hey. The macro is basically just a series of small algorithms taking place, usually 10 minutes before every. I mean on the new hour. It's basically deploying orders or collecting orders, or we should just say volume injection. You know, small algorithms start to fresh up the market with some new orders coming in. That's it. Congratulations, Jonathan. Let's go. Yeah. It happens usually 10 minutes before the new hour, so it's gonna happen at 11:50 as well and 12:50. You know. Oh, you lose 200. I see. Hey, it's 200. I mean, 200 is absolutely doable. 200 is something absolutely doable. I'm planning to do that third. If you guys are interested in it, I'm actually curious. I'm still thinking about it. I was planning to do some Asia session trades. For me, it's gonna be the nighttime. I forgot to answer. Somebody asked where I'm from. I'm from Hungary, Europe. But for me, that would be sometime around 1, 2 a.m. 1 or 2 a.m. in the middle of the night. But I don't care because I never sleep anyways. So maybe I'll do that. I don't know. Look at that. 124. Come on. Do it. With the DEW. Do it. You know. Do it. Yeah. Let's see what happens. It seems like it might want to go lower, if you ask me. Fair value gap and inversion gap, super simple. Let me show you. Basically, they are the same thing. So let's go with an example. Let's go with an example here. Let me zoom this out. Here's a fair value gap, right? This is a fair value gap. Okay. Okay, so if price comes back down and closes below this fair value gap, basically it becomes an inversion gap because this candle inverted this gap. That's it. And vice versa. So this gap has been inverted. So this becomes an inversion fair value gap. Now many people do like to trade for the inversions. That's also an entry method. Depends, you know. Yeah, basically it's a exactly. Thank you, Kirktown. Thank you. It's a failed fair value gap, basically. So this fair value gap has failed. It becomes, especially if a down close candle happens, then it becomes completely inverted. And then boom, goes down. Nah, no problem. No problem. ES my be giving me something off. ES, what's ES is doing? What is the, and what is this one doing? You see, this is why I was scared to jump into a short. Sorry. I don't know. ES is acting up weird, and now it seems like that NQ just lured everybody into a short, and now it wants to go higher. I'm not jumping in. I trading during Asia session, they manipulate price so much they which market, the Nasdaq or gold? I'm thinking to trade gold during the Asia session, but I'm not sure. Price down a little bit. I see. So more manipulation. Oh, Kirktown, don't worry. Excuse me. There's always the next setup on the horizon. I'm still just waiting here. The new hour is gonna come. Thank you. And maybe we will have something. Maybe. Just maybe. Gold moves reasonably. Yeah, that's why I'm thinking about trading gold in the Asia session. Could be interesting, I guess. Let's just keeps going. Keeps going. Both NQ and ES total PNL on day 4 100K account. $247 total on account. Anthony, congratulations. That is how you do it. You know, small steps forward. Anthony, well done. And this is the time, you know, you made some profit, you walk away. That's how simple. That is how simple it is. Yeah, I think so too. Short trading could happen. By the way, speaking of gold, I didn't even know what's happening on gold right now. It's making new highs, it seems like. Yeah, practically entered into a supply zone right now. Should have taken a long here. Now, for example, here, let's take a look at this one. This is a nice inversion here. I do like it. So, and we have double inversion as well. So this one, no, but if my bias was up because there's a supply zone up there, all I had to do is just wait for this gap to be inverted, which happened. And then I can do an aggressive entry to enter from here at the close of the candle, or wait for price to try to go back into the gap and then from there. But still, this was a nice potential entry on the 5-minute on gold. And what is happening here? Look at NQ. This is just wow. $10.52. Yeah, there's something here. $10.52. Yeah, here's the market structure shift. I don't have anything that I like for entry, but I'm looking at potential targets. Where could be the draw on liquidity? You know, where could be the draw on liquidity? Whoa. Antonio Augusto Palhano Tonut. Let me give you an applause. Thanks for joining the channel. You didn't hear it, I heard, because the desktop sounds were muted, but thank you for joining the channel. Welcome to the stream. Might go to 210 and drop. Yeah, it could happen. I'm still a little bit scared to go long here. Now look at this. Inversion gap. Could it be possible? Are we going to invert this? Are we going to invert this gap? Not yet. It's not happening yet. Get ready. All right. Kirk, I'm ready. I am ready. Let's go. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Now, this one picked liquidity up. Bullish candle. My god, it seems like it wants to go higher. It seems like it just wants to go higher. Bullish bias was based off 6 p.m. a.m. New York time. Candles open 4 hour. Had me waiting for something on the upside, but I think Nasdaq has more steam in it. Yes, that was a good plan there, and nice execution. And Anthony, really, you made those profits, and you just step away. That's a skill. That is a skill. I know it sounds weird, but especially if the session, we're through on the main time frame of the session or zone of the session. I can't speak. And if you're walking away with that kind of profit, you did good. One more tap. If represented, we fly. This one now looks very, very nicely bullish. And there's a flat candle at 212.25. And I do like that gap at 26. Hold the line. Yes, Kirktown, let's hold the line. If I would have entered here, which I might do, even with a late entry, should I enter on a late entry? All right, why not? Why not? Small little trade. Targeting. I'm targeting 12.25. Targeting 12. Okay, I entered this very, very, very small trade here. Where is it? Here. I'm targeting the flat candle at 12. My stop is down here. Maybe if it, I don't know. Let's just wait this out. Small position. Small position. Full port, let's go, third. Let's go. Bulenox is still cheap. Or go with Take Profit Trader. Or MyFundedFutures. I really want to reach the payout with Take Profit Trader. I really, that's one of my biggest goals right now. Even if it's a small payout, I don't care. I just want to feel it. I want to feel the ATM machine. Or Edit Trader funding. Yeah, 90% off. Sorry. Yes. What do you need for payout? With Take Profit Trader, well, you need to be above the threshold, and that's it. The only thing, I mean, there's a profit split, 80 to 20, so you keep 80% of the profit, but that's fine. They do daily payouts, so that's fine. It's something like 2:40 before 2 p.m. without retracing. Don't worry about it. Anthony, I don't know. Don't worry about the FOMO. There's always a better setup. There's always the next setup. So just don't worry about it, man. It's fine. It's fine. Exactly, third. There is always a setup. Always. Oh no. Oh no. Is this really happening? All right, give me a second. I have to check something. Don't go away. I'll be right back. I have to check something. All right, what's happening? What is happening? Your BMW is still there. Yes, it's still there. I was a little bit afraid I'll go dead. I had to, check on the window. Actually, you know what, guys? There's gonna be a webcam, which is always going to show the car, just to make sure it's there. Nothing happened. All right. Nothing happened. Nice. Oh man. I don't know what this one's doing, but big spike. Yeah, I'm just looking for the flat candle up there. This candle here, which is not a big deal, but why not? But if it doesn't really want to go higher, I mean, it can just create this relative equal highs and dump all the way down. Yeah. Look at this. If it is shifting structure, then we might even try to look for the 125 again. Who knows? Who knows? All right. It's going. It's still going. We now have 15-minute busy. Let's check it. Oh yeah, we do. Look at that. Let me get this off here. Give a different color to it. All right. All right. So price can go back down and reprice that level any second. Be careful. The problem is it's a slow grind right now, and I'm not sure how far it's gonna go. Yeah, me too, Anthony. To be honest, I was expecting more as well. Yeah, but you have to be careful, if you're sizing up going for those 5-10 points, you really have to be everything has to be in check on your risk management. Even if you lose, you have to be prepared for it. 5 to 10 points can go also against you super easy. Yeah, moving forward to that first presentation gap, it seems like it. I don't know which one to take. I know ICT said the higher one, but honestly, I would be glad with this one as well, with 26. I just don't know if I should keep this or not. The 125 is somehow still kind of interesting to me. Still a little bit interesting. Yeah. 943 could be. Could be. All right, what's happening? Oh no. Look at this. It's failing. Why does this keep happening to me, man? Why? Why is this happening? Oh, I just don't know. Yeah, unfortunately we shift the structure. So it's not looking so good. I don't know. Look at that. It's going down. Darn it. What the heck is going on here? That's it. I really tried. I did. I tried. Look at that. We're going down for the 124 again. Honestly, I'm a little bit tempted to jump in just to chase it a little bit. We closed lower than this 15-minute gap. I still like the 124 down there. Was there some kind of an inversion gap that I could use here? No, nothing. Feel like the drawn liquidity is down there. Okay, so it should be repricing this small 1 minute gap. If we stay below the mid level of that 15-minute BC, then this could still be a possible sell scenario. I tried so hard, got so far. Hey, don't worry about it. There's always a next setup. As I said, there is always the next setup. So, really, don't worry. I'm curious how this candle is going to close. Interesting. Was this just a liquidity sweep? That's the main question. Oh, wow. Seems like. Still hovering in this area, but the structure has been shifted. Traded below the 15-minute gap. Big question. What's it gonna be now? Still keeps going higher. Yeah. I agree. Yeah, Tudor. So it's a little bit risky to jump into a long here still. But if I look at the 5-minute, it could have been just a liquidity sweep, and then now it's moving higher. The 15-minute also. But then again, I'm not sure. Could this be a trap? I think it could, right? Might want to retest the 200 up there. We don't know. We just don't know. Look at that. Is it going to retest the 200? Now this is the part where it really gets interesting. Huh. How far are we from that fair value gap? Is it good for a scalp maybe, inverting this? Alright, for the stream, one scalp, and that's it. Looking to jump in to go for 25 should be okay. 20. 24.75, and I'm gonna be using a tight risk, so nothing special, and that's it. Mostly a scalp position, nothing more. To see if we go back to that that gap again. Not the best price action, that's for sure. Oh, you guys were typing. Let's see. You won't get fill, but long might work. Yes. The fill is definitely not good. The only thing I'm doing here is sort of like an inversion setup here. But you scalp with 5 minis. Asia stream today? I don't know. I don't know. Bouncing off the 1 minute. Yeah, could be. That was an interesting bounce down here. It suggesting that we might go for that gap higher, but if it goes above the 207, then wait for retracement to enter. Yeah, let's see. And if it goes above 12, I might just going to put it to break even. And I don't really care after that because I don't know. Well, could be taking up some more liquidity here from this gap. And if it closes like below the 90-ish area, then it's practically done, at least for me. I might going to close it manually then. If we close below like 90, I might not even wait for the stop to hit. I'm just gonna close it. Oh no. All right. That's it. Okay, that's it. That's it for me. That's it for me. That is it. It just doesn't want it. So no. No, thank you, NQ. Thank you. No. I'm not playing this dirty game, NQ. This is not what I agreed upon with NQ. So I'm not doing it. Yeah. No. It's a boring day. Yeah. So all it did was just grinding lower, which was good because at least we saw this liquidity sweep and almost down to the demand zone. But now I'm green. I mean. I haven't really traded too much, mostly on small green, basically break even. So on this Bulenox account, I made $84, but getting closer to another payout. And the evaluation account on MyFundedFutures made $36. This one haven't even traded. The other ones, somewhat good. The Apex accounts. Or not good, I don't know. A little bit behind building the take profit trader accounts too. So not much happened. Basically, I'm just back to break even somehow. I made some more profits, but I'm at break even overall. Or as they say, I'm on scratch right now. Green is greens. So trading, that's it, Yeah, the first parallel gap could be a good target, but I don't know. The 124.50 is still like, Surprise, prison. Ludafish guy like that. Exactly. Yeah, Pip Hunter. So break even is W, I guess. Seek and destroy, maybe. I don't know why. Something tells me this 124.50 is gonna get taken. Maybe in the PM session. Oh, maybe third. No promises there, but I'll be back for London. All right. Anyway, guys, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I know there was no London stream, but I'm here now, and I will be here tomorrow. Thank you, everybody, for joining. I'm not gonna do anything with this market now. It's better to walk away and enjoy the rest of the day, because this is like crazy. So thank you again. I'll be back. If you would like to support the stream, don't forget the cheat code for the prop firms, which is Tom Sabo. Use the code for the best available discounts. Even if, for example, MyFundedFutures, there's no discount if you type in my code, gives a little bit of credit to the channel. And don't forget to click on my links. Thank you so much for the support and the help. That's it. I'll be back. Bye, Kirk. I will be back. I'll be back. Thank you again. God bless you all, and see you everyone tomorrow in London. All right? All right. Cheers. Hey, Satoshi, no problem. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I'm okay. Everything is fine.